here's how to set up Linktree on Instagram. So in this video, I'm going to exactly show you how you can set up Linktree on Instagram. Just make sure you watch this video till the end to exactly know what to do. So you got two ways on how you can access Linktree. First of all, you could just download the app itself from App Store, or if you're an Android, just download it from Play Store. Just go ahead and search up Linktree, and you will be able to see the app of Linktree. But let's say if you don't want to download the app, you just go to Safari or any other web browser and type in Linktree. Once you type in Linktree, just go to the official website of Linktree, and then just sign up for free, or if you already have an account, just log in. So I'm just gonna sign up because I don't have an account. So yeah, this is how you sign up. Just put in your email address or sign up with Google or Apple. So I'm just gonna sign up with Google. Use my account. And then it's gonna take a while, but let's press continue. And yeah, it's almost done. So here we have to write in our username. So just keep in mind, keep your username very simple. So let's see. Yeah, we got this. So just press continue once you get your username. So here, as you can see, I'm in, and it's asking us to tell it about ourselves. So just give them whatever you are into. So I'm just gonna go for influencer and digital creator, and then you can just optional put in another influencer. So I'm not gonna do that. Just press continue. And then of course we're gonna go for free pack. If you want the paid one, you could just basically use it, but I'm gonna go with free one, and then just join for free. So yeah, it's gonna thank you for signing up, and then just press continue straight up. And then you can just pick up a template from right over here, or you could just make your own. It's up to you. So I'm just gonna pick up a template just right from here. So use template, and then you can just put in your IRLs from any other website that you want to use. So enter your IRL of whatever you want. So let's say I want to put in a IRL from a YouTube video. So let's just copy a link from YouTube video. So I'm just gonna copy any random videos link, or I could just use my videos link as well. So what I'm gonna do is just go to my account, and then I'm just gonna copy this. And here, once we copy our link, we can just paste our link. And once we press add, as you can see, my YouTube link has been added, and I can add any other links too. But yeah, this is just for an example. Just press next. Once you press next, just give it some final touches. So what should your profile picture be? And you could add your own too, but it's up to you. Just press next. And once you press next, it's gonna take a while to load in, but here, as you can see, my Linktree has been done. So how do we add it to Instagram now? So it's pretty simple. Just press on share, and then just copy your Linktree. Once you copy your Linktree, just go to your Instagram. Once you're in Instagram, just go to your profile, and then just press on these three horizontal lines. Or you could just press on edit profile. It's up to you, whatever you want to go. Just press on edit profile. And then here you will be able to see a option of links. Just press on add links, and press on add external link. And then just paste in the link that you copied. Press done. And here, as you can see, we successfully added our Linktree link, and here we can just click it from here, and it will directly take us to our Linktree. And here, as you can see, this is the YouTube video that I wanted to promote, and here it is. So yeah, that's basically it on how you can set up Linktree on Instagram. I hope you liked this video and this video helped you out. So leave a comment and subscribe. Until then, goodbye.